Hello, good morning guys, and welcome back to another video. This is Lotus Vibration. Go ahead and become a new subby right now by hitting that subscribe button so you never miss a video with me. So right now I'm just up at 5:30 to juice because I was doing homework last night up until 11 o'clock. And so I prepped everything to get ready for my juice. I have cilantro, I have cucumber, I have celery, I have apple, I have pineapple as well as lime just for added freshness. And sometimes I use ginger and things like this, but today we're just going to be making about 32 ounces of green juice. So this is what I'll be having for breakfast today, and this is what I'll be having for breakfast for the rest of the week. And we'll see if I can get like my little video in for lunch as well, because I'll be having kale salad and salmon. And I like to keep this right here because what a lot of people don't know is if you buy organic, you can actually cut the stem off and grow your own. So it's kind of like getting free seeds. If you don't want to use it, you can even use it to grow like free seeds for certain veggies or fruits. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm just going to be adding everything into my juicer here, and you'll see how everything goes from there. So you want to add the softer fruit first, which is going to be your pineapple, because the harder fruit is going to actually help the pineapple juice a lot better, optimizing your juice volume. I'm just going to add everything in at the top right now because I'm really trying to hurry up. I'm really trying to hurry up because I got things to do. I got lunch to prep. So as long as you have everything prepped, it's going to be very easy just to load everything in, because there's a shooter at the top of the blender with a hole in it. Squeeze some lime. And I really don't know how much juice it's gonna make, but I'm trying to make 4 32-ounce mason jars full. And they don't have to be all the way full at the top, but as long as it's more than halfway, like, I'm happy for this breakfast, you feel me? It smells so good. It smells so good. So far, this is what it's looking like. We got the pulp coming out, and it's pretty dry. And then I'm just training the juice. I love the Nama juice, you guys. I did a review on it. Go ahead and click that video, the link in my description, or I'm probably gonna post it at the top. But yeah, that video got a lot of views actually, so I'm very surprised, but I'm very happy because everybody needs to see how you can optimize your juice volume with a juicer like this. It's a bulk juicer. It's great for bulk juicing. And it's quick and easy. kiwi in there. It's gonna really add sweetness, especially with these gold kiwis. And it's not always the fastest thing to do. If you have at least like 2 hours, you want to give yourself 2 hours, including prep time, and then that'll speed up the process. If you want to prep at night and do it, you're juicing in the morning, or just do it all in one session, I would say give yourself about an hour to 45 minutes to 2 hours. Come on, Kiwi, I see you trying to make it down there. And the cilantro just makes everything taste better. Okay, I see it going down. I'm gonna turn it off and I'll be right back, you guys. Okay, stirring that. Let that go. Give it a little mix. This looks like this might be 2.5 juices. I could already tell. It's not as much as I would hope, but I know it's about to be good. I know that. You can see the kiwi. I'm gonna go ahead and get all the juice out. It smells so delicious. Like, look at this, guys. And this is a big bowl. Like, this is the big bowl. So let's go ahead and start pouring our jars, and we'll see how much it gives me. We'll see how much it gives me this morning. That's the apples I got on the stove right now. Making some cinnamon apples for my son. I'm really sad. Like, what is this? It only made 2 juices. That's me. I'm really sad about that. But I do have another pineapple. That's the good thing. And so thank you guys so much for watching.